Hello everyone, we are Badribek Alwa and Nazia. We are students from NASIB in Astana, currently studying in 11th grade. Every single day, the equivalent of 2,000 garbage trucks of plastic are dumped into our oceans, rivers, and lakes. Every year, 19 to 23 million tons of plastic leak into aquatic ecosystems. More than 4,030 million tons of plastic are produced annually, and two-thirds of that is discarded after just one use. And here is the most alarming fact. Less than 10% of plastic is recycled globally. We must also be realistic. Plastic bottles are not disappearing tomorrow. They are lightweight, durable, affordable, and globally accessible. Billions of people rely on them daily for safe drinking water and beverages. We cannot completely eliminate PET bottles overnight, but if we cannot immediately remove the bottle itself, we can begin by removing what we unnecessarily add to it. The problem is not just consumption. The problem is design. Today, the beverage industry operates in what we call a red ocean. Companies compete aggressively on cost, speed, branding flexibility, and lightweighting. Yet, despite innovation and efficiency, one thing remains unchanged. Every bottle still requires a plastic label. That label adds extra plastic film, adhesives, ink, and additional carbon dioxide emissions. So, instead of trying to eliminate bottles entirely, which is unrealistic in the short term, we asked a different question. Why are we adding more plastic to a product that is already made of plastic? Meanwhile, the consequences of this design are severe. Plastic takes anywhere from 20 to 500 years to decompose, and even then, it never fully disappears. Microplastics have been found in human feces and even in placentas of unborn babies. This is no longer just an environmental issue, it is biological, it is systemic. Instead of adding layers, we decided to transform the surface. We present laser engraved PET bottles, no labels, no adhesives, no additional plastic film. Using UV laser technology as a wavelength of 355 nanometers, we engrave directly onto the bottle. Unlike traditional printing methods, UV laser marking uses ultra-short pulses that generate minimal heat, making it ideal for sensitive materials like PET. This means that there is no thermal damage, no structural weakening, and no distortion of the material. With precision between 20 and 50 micrometers, we permanently engrave the brand name, logo, ingredient list, safety instructions, recycling symbols, QR codes, and batch numbers. The bottle itself becomes the label. This solution is not conceptual. It is industrially viable. Our manufacturing follows the standard PET production process: polymerization, preform injection, blow molding, cooling, and rigorous quality control. After shaping, the bottles move through an inline conveyor system where optical sensors detect position, encoders synchronize the laser speed, rotary stations enable 360-degree engraving, and vision systems ensure accuracy and consistency. Our production capacity reaches 200,000 bottles per day, operating 300 days per year over a 5-year life cycle. The total initial investment is approximately $1.21 million, with a production cost of about 3.2 cents per bottle. This demonstrates scalability and economic feasibility. Strategically, we move from red oceans to blue oceans. Instead of competing on the same variables as traditional manufacturers, we eliminate adhesives, eliminate plastic labels, and eliminate material complexity. We reduce contamination and carbon dioxide emissions, we raise recyclability, purity, and environmental compliance, and we create monomaterial packaging with engraved braiding innovation and aligned with circular economy principles. This is not about competing harder, it's about competing differently. Our message is simple. We don't add layers, we transform the surface, and less is more. In human history, 8.3 billion tons of plastic have been produced. Half of it was made in just the last 13 years. We cannot recycle our way out of a design problem, but we can redesign the system. Laser engraved PET bottles, monomaterial, future ready, designed for a clear ocean. Thank you.